friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams, and it is day 8 of my November 2023 Tag a Day series. So let's see what I used today. I used some red and white baker's twine, the Stampin' Up! Stitched Shapes Framelits, which I'm sure are long retired, the Holly Jolly Layers stamp set, which again I'm sure is long retired, the Sunny Studio scallop tags in circles, and the Sunny Studio scallop tags in squares. These were another one I had on my community tab. The one yesterday was the first pick, and this was so close I decided to use both of those. And then I used the Echo Park Very Merry Christmas. This is old. Let's see if I can see how old. No, I don't see. Oh, 2012. Yeah. But I'm almost done with it. Whew. Can't wait. Because I've told myself I really don't want to get a whole bunch more Christmas paper until I use what I have. Ha ha ha. Famous last words, right? And so there is the circle one. There you can see that twine, just cardstock on the back. I did the outside layer with the Sunny Studio tag die. And then I stamped it and then did this with the Stitched Shapes Framelits. I got this one off center a little bit, but I didn't think it looked too horrible. And then here's this one, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, again, cardstock. These went together super easy. These would be very cute and easy if you had a similar stamp set for even like ornaments on the tree or just to give on presents or whatever. I don't make very many Christmas tags just because we don't exchange a lot of presents anymore. The kids are older, and we've all decided we enjoy spending time together playing games versus buying tons of presents. But I thought I would show a few because it is good to have some on hand in case you have like a friend that you want to give something to, or if you do exchange a lot of gifts, or like I said, even for ornaments. So there are my tags for day 8. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 9. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for all the sweet comments. This series really just brings me joy. It makes me happy to read that I've inspired some of you to make some tags. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much. All right, go do something for yourself and go get crafty, and I'll see you tomorrow.